Okay, so it seems like we'll be looking at bugs today in Python and debugging and all that. So here's a really cool story about how the first bug was found. It was a literal bug, and that's how the term bug was coined. Um, so syntax errors. When we were writing Python programs, I'm sure when you've been following along with the videos, or if you have been, or really in general just looking through things on your own, syntax errors are definitely things you see. So yeah, and it usually happens. It's usually one of the easier ones to fix because you either misspelled the keyword, you're missing a colon, you're missing a parentheses, and sorry about that. I don't know what just happened. But anyways, so your coworker wrote a fortune cookie program that is supposed to print out a possible fortune based on a random number. Run the program, and we have a syntax error. So we can see over here right away that the syntax error is that they forgot the colon, and it seems like they have more errors actually. They forgot the elif statement here. What else? Invalid syntax on line 15. elif fortune is equal to 4. Uh, oh, what is actually the problem here? I'm actually not sure. Space enclosed parentheses somewhere. Oh, it was right here, so it had nothing to do with line 15. Okay, so we fixed that one. Nice. So name errors. Now name errors is usually what happens when you put a variable but you haven't actually initialized it at the start. So yeah, run the program, check it out. So name option 3 is not defined. So all we have to do is define option 3. Option 3 is equal to, just put a random thing there. And the next one is going to be score is plus equal to 100. We'll fix that. There. So these are just examples of fixing the errors in your code. A type error. A type error is reported by Python interpreter when an operation is applied to a variable of an inappropriate type. Right. So for example, a string and a float number. You're using a pro bug catcher. Pops out a blue and hands you a program that calculates the area of a triangle, rectangle, and a circle. Run the program, check it out. Triangle area is 300. All right, 15. Print. The area is 100. So we'll fix it by turning it into a string because we can't do a string and an integer. So we'll do a string plus a string. There's an operator used incorrectly within the string. Which operator is it? I wish it gave us the error. It's not giving me an error, so I'm not sure what to do here. What are they looking for? Anything interesting about one of the print statements? Not really. Do they want me to, like, do this? Okay, you know what? It works. I actually don't even care enough. This works, the triangle area. But there's one type error, apparently. And I did find the type error. The type error was here, wasn't it? Okay, well, actually, now I'm interested in the solution. What is the solution? Print plus string area. Okay, so my solution gives the exact same output as whatever they put. Using a comma, yes, is one way to concatenate a string. There's an operator used incorrectly within a string. Okay, so that clearly wasn't the solution. Area. Okay, yeah, so concatenating the string is still the same. I guess a comma is just more efficient, but, there you go, review. Yeah, so this is all about finding bugs. I hope you enjoyed, and I guess remember Google and Stack Overflow are really good for finding an error that gives a lot of trouble. So yeah.